What's up everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, I will be sharing how we're gonna use the canned responses of TubeBuddy. The first thing that you need to do is just install the application, and since I have already just clicked the application, when you don't have, please sign up the application using the email of your main account YouTube channel because they are definitely connected to each other. So why we need TubeBuddy? Well, there are many features that we need to learn about TubeBuddy aside from tagging, thumbnails, titles, and showing all your milestone journey in YouTube, trending news and topics, and many more. So today I will just teach you how we are gonna use the canned responses that might save you all the effort or a lot of effort to respond all the comment in your video one by one. So we just need to open this application, and here under the comment section you will see all the comments under your videos. As what I tell you, when you're gonna sign up, please use your YouTube main account email address so they are connected to each other. So what it's shown in the TubeBuddy, it's shown also into your main account. So this is the shortcut or the easiest way to respond all the comment under your videos in your YouTube channel application. So here we're gonna scroll down all this, and you will see I've been replying those or some of the messages. Okay, how we gonna create a canned responses? So in your TubeBuddy, you see your comments, the milestones, and the notification as well. In here in the bottom, you just see the three line and just click it. And here, it will show your tag explorer, topic planner, canned responses, and tag list. So canned responses, it is an automated system that you can respond their comment one minute at a time. So you just need to create your canned responses, and you might respond it every time they will leave a comment to your video. So canned responses, okay, we just click this one, and they'll ask you to add what you might to do, or for example, you just need to respond about your video. And here we are. Now we're gonna create a canned responses. So in a previews, I created a canned responses which asking a better request or asking a feedback to enhance the quality of my video. Now we gonna create some response which asking them or promoting your YouTube channel. So here, and will be replaced with the commenter's channel name. So you don't need to response create, just put n, because this n is already replace the commenter's channel's name every time you response to their comment. So later on I will be showing you how we gonna work it. Okay, response. So I am telling you that you need to promote your YouTube channel. So here we go. Think we just create some greetings or a greetings. Have a nice day. Thank you for visiting here in my channel. For more inquiries, please drop a message. Inquiries and feedbacks. Please drop a message. I am glad to get back soon. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Hey guys, it is not prohibited to promote your YouTube channel. This is not against the community guidelines of YouTube channel as well. Please don't forget. So let's just save it. Okay, so now we gonna reply some comments here under my video. For example, 28 minutes ago, there was a commenter said, nice, very informative, thank you for sharing, wanna try it. So how we gonna respond it? Just click the three dot in your right side, and here they will show you hide comment in the app. You means if you're gonna hide the comment in the app, it will not show into your YouTube channel main account as well. And if you delete comment from YouTube, it will be deleted into your YouTube channel as well, because as I've told you, they are connected. So reply with a canned response. Just click this reply with a canned response, and here you created two responses. So which one do you want? It's up to you. So now I am creating this. Okay, just click the latest created canned responses under below. Yes, and here the N is replacing the comment's name, so it is automatically mention the name of the commenters. And this is your written canned responses, or the created canned responses. Have a nice day. Thank you for visiting here in my channel. For more inquiries and feedbacks, please drop a message. I am glad. So it is automatic. Every time you reply in the comment, you can use the TubeBuddy tools to do it, and you don't need to go to your YouTube channel application. So guys, if you are new into my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for more information in the future. I will be sharing a lot of features in YouTube channel to improve or to grow our YouTube channel. And have a nice day.